In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your Samsung and tapping on while using and allow in all pop-ups. Now, before recording, click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on gear icon. This way you can manage all of those options however you want to before creating your recording. When you're finished with all of that, you can tap on your screen twice and then select the red button at the bottom to start. Hit allow again, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To discard it right away, click on this one at the top left corner and hit discard. To add a bookmark, tap on this left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Most people must know that when your recording is paused, you can swipe it on the track and listen to it right away. If you wanna, you can even correct some parts. Just pick a place and record over it by tapping on red button. Then to continue your standard recording, go back to the end and use red button again. Let's save our recording now. Tap on this button of a square. If you wish to create a category, select Uncategorized, choose Add Category and create it here. Then select Add. Name your recording and hit Save. Now you can manage it by clicking on it on the list. Add a bookmark. Over here you can skip it 1 second each way, 1 second because mine is short. You can add bookmarks while listening, and you can tap on this button at the bottom right corner. This way you can change speed of it. Then to continue end it and save it on the... You can enable or disable skip silences, decide which part you wanna repeat, and even see your bookmarks and manage them however you want to. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and manage those options. Move to secure folder, share, set up as favorite, delete, and my personal favorite, which is edit. Click on scissors icon, pick a part of your recording, and for example, I want to delete this one. To continue, choose scissors, this time at the bottom, and pick one of those options. Delete selected area or delete the rest. And keep selected area. I will delete this one though. Now hit save at the top right corner and decide if you want to save this recording as a new one or replace the original. I always save it as a new one just in case. Now, if you want to manage your recording on the list, you can hold it, check out all of those info on the right, and use all of those options at the bottom. If you deleted a recording by mistake, use bin button on the left, and this way access recycle bin. To manage anything from here, you need to hold it and decide if you want to delete it permanently or restore it. You can also check out all of those options on the left. All of your sounds, other recordings, favorites, interviews. This one is when you change a mode, like we did at the beginning, or recordings, and 3 lines I mentioned before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!